Are you seeking to create innovative farm machinery products, but struggling to access vital information necessary to plan, benchmark, and grow your business? Kinetic recognizes the importance of making well-informed choices throughout your business, from new product development and its journey to commercialization. Our solution, Machinery Track, a cutting-edge crop management and machinery market data tool, showing ag tractors registration trends by different filters such as brand performance and horsepower. This platform stands out by offering a comprehensive understanding of agronomic practices, ag tractor registrations and market data, and dealer insights in a secure online format. It combines ag tractor registrations data with grower behaviors and dealer performance insights. Machinery Track provides transparency, supporting the development of the most promising products, enables you to define your go-to market strategy and track market share data to benchmark, manage and grow your business. Explore more. Request a demo at kinetic.com/machinery track.